Good morning, it's Friday morning, it's day 4 of the trip and we are camping in the bush, 1 hour left from Byron Bay.
This is the good fight. This is the good fight. Hey, this is the good fight. This is the good fight. The good fight.
Hey you, good to see you back at the new episode of My Ozzie Story. We continue our trip on the beautiful east coast of Australia. We found this magnificent place just a couple of hours north of Port Macquarie. Make sure that if you find this place as well, that you do a little hike on the hill and see this absolutely stunning view. After this amazing little hike next to the coast, we continue our journey towards Byron Bay. After a few hours drive, it's time to set up the camp before sunset. Most of the day so far we dug a hole in the ground, light some fire and use the grill. We camped somewhere completely random next to the highway now and enjoyed our delicious meal.
Good morning, it's Friday morning, it's day 4 of the trip and we are camping in the bush, 1 hour left from Byron Bay. Today we're gonna meet up with some friends from Coleroy. They left last night from Coleroy, drove all the night up to here. It's like around 8 hours drive. They're gonna meet up with us, we're gonna have some breakfast here in the bush and then we're gonna drive together to Byron Bay to spend the weekend together with the friends from Sydney. For now we're making breakfast so we can surprise them with a little breakfast, bacon and egg rolls like the Australian way. Maybe you ask why I'm still wearing a beanie hat. It's not that warm in the morning, it's around 10-12 degrees I think at the moment, but it should be 25 degrees later this afternoon, so we don't need that one anymore. Woo!
Hey, boys.
How I love my hippie life. What a far out trip. In my heart is love for others, all my sisters and my brothers. How I love my hippie life.
How I love my hippie life.
Barefoot on cement.
Barefoot on cement.
Brother, can you spare a quarter? Care to share some marijuana? How I love my hippie life. How I love my hippie life.
Alright, we're having pizzas in Byron Bay. Woohoo!
So after the pizza, everyone was ready for a little power nap. These guys had a big drive last night and besides sharing the car, they also love to share the beds and show a little bit of bromance. Oh yeah, Jarn wants to say something as well.
Hi, I'm Jan.
Yesterday we had a really good party here in Byron Bay and now it's time for a healthy breakfast with some fruit and pancakes.
Unfortunately, that day was really rainy, so we ended up in the pub playing pool and ping pong. Until at some point someone reminded us that there is a nice little village 1 hour drive inland and it's called Nimbin. You might have heard from it, but he told us it's definitely worth visiting.
Where we are, Nico?
I don't know, Nimbin. I guess.
Nimbin. So we are in Nimbin now. We spent the last 2 days in Byron Bay. The weather is a bit shit. It rained a lot the last 2 days. We just drove here from Byron Bay. It's like 1 hour. It's a really hippie place, but yeah, it's nice. And just going for a coffee and a little walk and nothing special today. But yeah, I enjoyed so far.
Yeah, so Nimbin is like the hippie capital of Australia. If you ever run out of cannabis, this is the place to go.
So next week we're going to Mushroom Valley, it's near with Sundays, and now we have to find an outfit for it. And what is a better place than Nimbin to find these awesome clothes for the festival?
Ready for the festival.
Yeah, back on the road, bitches!
There we go again. Woo! Byron Bay, check.
Thanks, Erik. At the moment we are in Bundaberg. We did a big drive today from Noosa to Bundaberg and we're not there for today. We're a bit in a hurry because we are going to a festival this weekend at Arley Beach. That means that we have to drive 1200 kilometers this week. So we skip a lot of places, but we're gonna do that on the way back. Now we have a stop in Bundaberg. We're gonna have a quick look here at the distillery from the very famous Bundaberg rum. I'm really curious, and then we're gonna go back on the road again to find a camp spot for tonight. Time for a little taste and to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next week.